our channel.
So, in this video, we are going to tell you about this huge egg. Isn't it huge? Take it. Do you know what is in this egg?
I don't know what is in the magic egg.
Let's shake it out.
What is in the magic?
You're right. So let's see.
Wow!
Surprises!
Let's shake him.
Yes. Blue, yellow, blue again, transparent,
And
transparent.
yes, same as
Yeah. Yellow.
light
left.
yellow.
One left.
Light yellow.
Yeah. So now, these are the eggs. So let's start with the red one. So the red one. Boop, pop open.
Wow.
Flash.
He got
Dandy.
This
Flash
is
stand.
He's run very fast.
Yeah.
Let's
he's
put
right.
him
Let's
here.
keep him on a stand. Okay.
Down.
Flash.
Purple.
Next, yellow egg. Okay, it is
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Dun, dun, dun. One of the movies from Justice League, Superman vs. Batman movie.
So let's keep it in.
Her. And next turn.
Green Lantern.
Blue. Look at his muscles.
He's the Green
Texture.
Lantern.
Yeah, he's Green Lantern. Let's keep him up here.
These are same Green Lantern. One is mask one
Boom.
is this.
Oopsie. Kept them here.
Let's get
Now, let's take the another blue.
Catwoman.
Catwoman. Look at her.
He has the brown hair.
I think she has a more shorter cape. Catwoman. Look at her mask. Good mask. And
He's
now
the
let's...
Batman. He's the Batman friend.
Oh.
And that's a sword for. Oh.
And next, what do you think? I think this is something unique.
Whoa, Captain.
Whoa. Keychain of Captain America. Look at that.
We can put in the bag. School bag.
Captain America.
He cannot come.
keychain.
He cannot come. He cannot come.
Yeah. Just
And last two eggs.
next. Oopsie. I got him flying.
No, vulture.
Vulture. Next one.
Next one. And
let's put her
last next egg.
last egg. Last in the collection.
Batman.
Batman.
He
My
has a
favorite. So, it will be helpful if you tell us which one of these was your favorite superhero. Yeah. These are all Justice League and Living this Captain.
Let's
So,
round them.
let's round up them.
Ooh. Looks like a very nice. It looks like very nice. Captain America looks like
Green Lantern, Batman, Vulture, Catwoman, Flash, Wonder Woman, and in the middle, it's Captain America keychain. So this is all we have for this video. Thanks for watching and keep on subscribing and hit the like button and comment below which videos do you want to see
and do subscribe button and
Yeah.
press the bell icon.
to receive quick notifications of our channel. So goodbye.
Bye. See you next time.